You can start a side hustle that makes $500 a week and grow this business into a massive $500,000 a year. But it only works if you apply these 4 tips. Tip number 1, low cost to start. You don't want to burn thousands before you make your very first dollar. Tip number 2, scalability. Can you really grow this side hustle realistically into a 6 or even 7-figure business? Tip number 3, automation. Can you implement systems that let the business run without you doing every single task? And finally, tip number 4, growth potential. Because side hustles is going to give you some cash flow. There's no doubt about it. But the goal here is freedom, and freedom comes from building a real business. In today's video, I'm gonna show you 7 overlooked side hustles that most people ignore and no one is talking about. I'll break down exactly how much money you can make per week or even per month, and how can you grow into a 6 or even 7-figure business. And trust me, number 7 will surprise you. So what's up, guys? My name is Anderson Silva, and no, I am not this guy here. I am an entrepreneur building a multi-million-dollar company, which is the goal for 2026. So let's dive in. The side hustle number 1, Notary public loan signing agent. One of the most overlooked side hustles in real estate. General notary work pays something between $10 to $40 per document, but loan signings $75 up to $200 per document for less than 1 hour of work. That's gonna bring you something close to $2,000 to $6,000 a month. It is a real money. And you can scale by building a team. You can find deals with like real estate agents, and you can turn into a recurring revenue business. Some notary agencies these days, they're pulling in 7 figures annually. If you want to just like fast cash from the service you can provide to your community, you can start a side hustle right now. That brings us to the side hustle number 2, which is mobile car detailing. This side hustle is perfect if you want a low cost business that makes money fast. Supply is gonna cost you around $300, and you can charge something between $50 to $150 per car. That means $500 to $1,500 a week, up to $2,000 to $6,000 a month. Can you scale this? Absolutely. You can hire employees, add a new van, and you can target dealerships. This become a profitable B2B business with consistent cash flow, and it can grow into a 7-figure operation. And while detailing cars gets you a fast cash, the next side hustle lets you turn dirty and grind into serious money with even bigger tickets. That brings us to the side hustle number 3, pressure washing. Pressure washing is a very strong local business with a very high cash flow. You can charge something between $100 up to $500 per job. Pulling out 2 jobs a day can give you $1,000. You can make $5,000 a week with this side hustle for sure. There are so many people out there making a lot of money with pressure washing. You can check them out. You can scale it by hiring crews, landing commercial contracts, and expanding to new cities. Pressure washing is a scalable business model that can absolutely hit a 7 figures a year. Now you like the recurring income where you got a machines doing the work for you. The next side hustles is exactly what you're looking for, which is ATM business. This is a real money maker. Trust me. You can buy ATM machine, you can place in a high traffic location and collect fees. Each ATM machine has potential to generate $300 up to $1,000 monthly in recurring revenue. 2 ATMs, just do the math, $2,000, 10 ATM, $10,000, and you can grow for sure. The ATMs industry has an amazing ROIs. It's a great side hustle for you. And you can start with a very low cost. Speaking of machines that work for you, let's look at another overlooked side hustle you can start right now. Vending machine business. It's another recurring income side hustle that people overlook. Each machine can bring you $50 up to $300, maybe $500 a week. Of course, depends the location. You gotta looking for a great place. You can have a deal with the owners, the business owners out there. You can pay the business owners a very small portion of your income from that machine, and you can have a deal with the guy and make a lot of money. It's real. It's possible. 10 machines can bring you $2,000 up to $12,000 every single month. That's a lot of money. It's crazy. You can scale, of course. You can have 10 machines. You can have 20 machines. You can have 100 machines. Imagine what life can bring to you when you grow this business. We are talking about financial freedom over here. And everything here in this video can be possibly done by you. So let's go. Let's do the work. And the next side hustle is crazy. I never heard it before and makes tons of money. And you can start with basically zero cost, no dollar to invest, and make in your first job $300. I'm talking about the resume LinkedIn optimization services. Let's break it down. This is a service-based side hustle with nearly zero startup costs and very high profit margins. You can charge $50 up to $300 per client, which is a lot of money. You can land 20 clients in a month. Just do the math. You can scale by offering high ticket services. You can do coaching as well. You can sell digital templates. There's a lot of stuff you can do with this side hustle using automation that's going to do all the work for you. You'll be the ones and sell it forever. Now, if you're serious about making money online, the next side hustle is the most profitable side hustle ever. I'm talking about selling digital products. This is the most scalable side hustle of them all. You can start right now. And also very low, if not $0 to start. No cost. Imagine it. It's a good idea, right? You like the idea of like create once and sell it forever and make money while you sleep. It's a good idea. You can have even like 100 sales a month that can bring in $1,000 up to $10,000. But with automate funnels, email lists, social media, you definitely can build a 7-figure business. Especially now with AI, everything makes so easy and so fast. So now you have 7 overlooked side hustles with real cash flow, strong profit margins, and a proven scalable business models. But here's the truth. Here's the reality that I want to talk to you. Is that simple? Yes. Is that easy? Of course, no. Every single side hustle will be on a side hustle, will give you a side hustle money if you just treat them like this. However, if you focus on grow those side hustles, you definitely can have a real business right there. But here's the thing. You have to start. You have to focus on have your business running. And you can start today. If you track your KPIs, focus on cash flow, and think like a business owner, you can definitely scale them into 6 or even 7 figures a year. If you found value in this video, make sure you subscribe right now, hit the like button, and leave a comment below. That tells YouTube the video matters and you can help more people to achieve their financial freedom. Alright guys, before I finish, let me say this. When I first look at side hustles, I'm gonna be very honest with you. It felt overwhelmed. Too many options, too many choices. But here's the truth. The only thing that separates the winners from the losers is action. You don't need to have all figured out. You can start small and grow slowly. Maybe just one hustle, one client, one sale, but that's how you build momentum. And momentum is what grows into 6 or even 7 figures. So here's my challenge for you. Don't just watch this video and move on. You have done that before. You have done that a lot actually. So at this time, let's do something different. I want you to take action. Pick one of these side hustle and start today. Your life will thank you later. I promise you. Because freedom doesn't come from thinking about it. It comes from taking action. So let's take action today. And let me know in the comments below which one you're gonna pick. And don't forget to download my free ebook. I've put together 7 habits that's gonna make you millionaire. It's very simple, but very powerful. Download the link in the description below. It's free. It's for you.